how to cancel your Fandango at home subscription. First, you need to go to your settings, and here at the top of your screen you can see a username. Simply tap on it and tap on subscriptions over here. It will take some load, and if you have any active subscriptions, it will show over here called active subscription. And if you have a Fandango subscription over here, you'll see the Fandango application option over here called Fandango subscriptions. And if you tap on it, you can and after you tap on it, you'll see the option to, and if you tap on the application, you'll be able to see your, and after you tap on the subscription, you'll be able to see an option to cancel the subscription too. Or what you can also do is you can go to your Safari. Here you want to type in Fandango at home cancel subscription and simply give it a search. By doing so, you'll be able to see an official website of Fandango support, and you can simply tap on it and follow the prompt from there to cancel your subscription. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment them down below.